In the telecom industry where we came from for over 35 years, bread and butter was these concrete shelters. We've deployed over 40,000 of those all over the country. That's kind of waned over the years, but we were able to basically dovetail that into the data center business with several clients that needed more cost-effective and a scalable solution. And based on our experience with concrete, we were able to deliver that.
Specifically in the data center business, we're just now seeing where our customer is really looking for us to help them scale. That's where we come in kind of uniquely. We can build the steel enclosure that our competitors do, but our customers are seeing that concrete advantage that we've got, that all translates directly into what the data center market needs right now.
We prefer to be there at the front end of a design so we can influence it and try to get to a solution that's what the customer really wants, which is a cost-effective, fast solution with high quality. We're able to match the construction timeline of the building to when we're going to receive equipment from the client here in our factory, which is extremely important.
It's a very high early strength concrete, and the automation of our process, both on the casting side, allows us to deliver a really high quality solution there in a customized, highly configured manner.
We can get a concrete module built and ready for integration for equipment in less than 5 days. That means the equipment can be put in there, you start integrating and ready to deliver within 2 or 3 weeks after that, depending on the complexity of the integration. So compare that to a steel building, it could be about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how large the building is. So if you look at trends of where things are going, that's kind of where it's going. Faster deployable mini data centers that are going to support bigger data centers.
We are the buffer in between a long supply chain and a complicated construction site. So if we're not flexible there, that's a major pain point for our customers.
With that system, we're able to do it and still increase our throughput for our customers' demands. Had a customer was looking to first time going to get into a prefabricated modular. They weren't sold 100%. So they brought us on almost as consultants. So we went through all kinds of different iterations, not only between steel and concrete modules, but also there's a bunch of variables that go into designing one of these electrical modules. And everything considered, we ended up with 2 concrete modules that are basically butted up against each other. And what that did is it drove costs down and also increased the scalability. So the customer can basically deploy these on an as-needed basis. The flexibility that Fibrebond has and also the team with the end user was fantastic. And we were able to get to the right solution for that specific application.
We are not solely dependent upon one market. The things that worked for us 5 years ago don't work for us today. Projects will continue to get larger and larger, whether that's in scale, like a data center, whether that's in size, like a petrochemical facility. We can accommodate it and accomplish a lot of things on a project by having the scale that we've got.
There's no signs of stopping right now. Concrete is a real differentiator in our business to be able to scale and build at the pace that our clients and ultimately their clients need.